Hi, greetings everyone. My name is Zahan Pawar. I am a part of a company called Leading Edge. We're into events, marketing, weddings, and studios. To be honest, I've been very well affiliated with EMDI for quite a few years now. Right from doing the college festival setup to interacting with a lot of students. I have a lot of my team members also ex-EMDI students, and I can remember so many of them and all of their valuable contribution. The reason why I'm so well affiliated with EMDI over many other institutions, most of the students that come from EMDI have a better understanding of the eventing market and a little better ground knowledge, and they really focus on their internships and extracurricular activities. So I'm very glad that I've got this opportunity to come and interact with students in their classroom and have a one-on-one interaction with all of them. And I hope to stay in touch with all of you all and stay connected to EMDI through all the years ahead. Best of luck. Bye.